I knew exactly where gold was going to reverse before it happened. And when price hit this tiny zone right here, the entire move played out exactly as planned. Let me show you how I found it. Using our BYBT strategy, that is market structure, support and resistance, pullbacks, retests, and areas of confluence. To know more about our BYBT strategy, you can visit our website at forexhash.com. Using market structure, we are going to mark out this, and that is going to be our lower high. We are also going to mark out this, and this is going to be our lower low. We are also going to mark out this, and that is going to be our second higher low. This is confirming to us our market structure, and that is our downtrend here. Then here we are getting this move to the downside here. This move to the downside here is creating a new lower low right here, and it is giving us a break of structure around this zone here, as price is creating a new lower low below the previous lower low. This indicates to us that the price is shooting downwards. The price is in a downtrend. After creating a lower low here, price is giving us this pullback here into this tiny zone here, and this tiny zone here is going to be our area of confluence. Why? Because that's where we are having our previous resistance here. So we're expecting the market to give us a retest on the right hand side here. If this resistance here is respected here, then we expect the market to continue dropping to the downside. So this is our pullback, and we're expecting a retest to this previous zone of retest, giving us our area of confluence. So as price approaches our area of confluence, we want to see the sellers gaining control again. That is, we can use our price action using the bodies and the wicks here. So as price is approaching this area of confluence here, you can look at the bodies, how the price is approaching. Right here we are having the sellers coming in, but you're seeing that the buyers are still strong because this body here is still bigger than this. If you are to get an engulfing candle taking out these buyers here, we can say that the sellers are back in control. So we are going to wait for more confirmations to come in. We can get an engulfing candle, we can get rejections. So right here we shall wait, see. And now here we are seeing this momentum candle coming from this area of confluence, and it is taking out the body of these buyers here. This is an indication that sellers are back in control, and they are ready to push the market further to the downside. So on the closure of this candle here, we are going to be taking a sell, and then our stop loss is going to be above our area of confluence, because if you are to get buyers coming in here, then this sell idea is going to be violated. We're not expecting any more sells, any more buyers above this zone here. Then for our take profit, I'm going to go on our 30 minutes and I look for previous zones of support. because on support, that's where we are getting our buyers stepping in. So on our 30 minutes, we are seeing that here on the left hand side, we are having clean traffic up to here, which is giving us a very high risk to reward ratio. So we're going to be aiming for this support zone here, and that is giving us a very big risk to reward ratio. If you want to learn more about our BYBD strategy, visit our website at hashforex.com. Let's see you in the next video. Subscribe and follow.